From the moment you see this attractive Caden floor plan from First Texas Homes, you can't help but notice the beautiful curb appeal that this home offers. This 3,784 square foot, 2-story home features a brick and stone exterior that provides amazing curb appeal. The 3-bedroom, 2 1/2 bath Caden floor plan flows into an open private study with an abundance of natural light. Just past the foyer, you'll find an open concept living space with a spacious family room with a great fireplace that flows right into the gourmet designer kitchen. This luxurious kitchen includes beautiful granite countertops, plenty of cabinets, built-in stainless steel double oven and microwave, and a gas range. Right off the kitchen, there is a nook for quick meals and a formal dining room for special occasions. As you make your way upstairs, you'll find a spacious game room that's perfect for a second living space. Make your way through the master suite with its own outdoor balcony overlooking the backyard. The master suite includes a relaxing master bath with a relaxing garden tub, an oversized walk-in shower, and dual vanities. There are also 2 additional secondary bedrooms perfect for the rest of the family. You will love relaxing outdoors under the oversized covered patio, perfect for entertaining in the backyard. Call or visit First Texas Homes today to find out more about building the Caden floor plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes. When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.